In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive freelance payments in JazzCash via Payoneer. First, open the JazzCash app on your phone and log into your account. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version and that you have a stable internet connection. If you use biometric login or a PIN, have that ready. It's also a good idea to confirm your JazzCash account is fully verified, as verification can affect limits and access to certain features. Once you're in, look for the freelance payments option. Depending on your app version, it may appear as freelance payments or Payoneer under the main menu or services section. Tap it to opt in. You may see a brief overview of the feature along with terms and conditions. Take a moment to read them and accept if you agree. This opt-in simply enables the feature that connects JazzCash with Payoneer for receiving payments from clients. Next, link your existing Payoneer account. The app will guide you through a secure flow where you'll provide the necessary details to connect the two services. Follow the prompts carefully. You may be asked to sign in to your Payoneer account within a secure window and confirm your identity. For your safety, only enter information on the official in-app screens and never share one-time codes with anyone. If verification is required, complete it as prompted. In most cases, this only takes a few minutes, though it can vary. Once linked, you'll see a confirmation in the app. Now you're ready to request payments. From the Freelance Payments or Payoneer section in JazzCash, choose the option to request a payment. Enter the amount and select the appropriate currency if that's available, then add your client's details as requested by the app. Include a clear description or invoice reference so your client knows exactly what they're paying for. When you send the request, your client will receive a Payoneer payment link. They'll pay through that link using the methods supported in their region. After sending, you can monitor the status of the request right in the JazzCash app. You'll typically see whether it's pending, paid, or completed. Once the client pays, the funds will process through Payoneer and appear in your JazzCash account according to the standard processing times. Keep an eye on applicable fees, currency conversion, and limits so you know exactly what to expect. Before we wrap up, a few tips. Double-check the payment amount and client details before sending a request. Keep your contact with clients professional and clear. And always use the official app to manage your payment links. That's it. Simple, secure, and efficient.